Sumita Satarkar today is a name in acupuncture which has reached globally. Who started her journey in Pune in 1997 as a barefoot therapist. She used to visit each home to ask for the illnesses and used to render her treatments. Today, her therapy center is the most acclaimed center where all people from cream layer like celebrities, corporates, social activists to needy poor patients are taking benefits of acupuncture treatment from her.
We have treated more than 10,000 critical patients who didn't take any other modality of therapy to come out of their problems. They were basically from neurological, orthopedic category.
She is an expert mainly in pulse diagnosis. She doesn't need any pathological report to diagnose any illness, for which she is highly regarded in international institutions also.
We have selected some villages in Maharashtra like Narayangaon, Junner, Manchar, where we went and provided lectures. Started with taking free checkup camps with pulse diagnosis, and then we started providing them free acupuncture treatments. They were all farmers and poor villagers, and today it's like that all villages are taking only acupuncture treatment for their problems.
She has recently completed her research thesis in 100 patterns of pearls in acupuncture for accurate diagnosis and healing for PhD. This study will be a ready-made dish for the students who are inspired to study this science.
It is affordable for people in consideration of medical expenses, and at the same time the duration of the treatment is also not so long compared to other modalities of treatment. Any chronic patient has to come for the treatment for only 15 days.
Her sincere service to the society in part of healing critical and chronic illnesses and her contribution to promote acupuncture has taken attention of many organizations who have honored her with national and international awards.